This is Angela Carosio with Locker Gnome, here with the new 13-inch MacBook Air. Just got it in the mail and we're going to unbox it and take a look. We've got the MacBook Air here, very thin. It's probably the thinnest computer I've ever seen. Standard Apple power cord with a smaller than usual brick, which is very nice. Standard software kit, but the cool thing, instead of a CD, we have the USB install drive for macOS 10. It's tiny, probably gonna get lost, but looks pretty cool. And that is it. Apple minimal packaging to the rescue. Not much more than just some instruction manuals, a software drive, and the computer itself.